For today's video, we'll be taking a look at a fully modular ATX 3.1 power supply unit from Seasonic, the Focus GX ATX 3.1, also known as the Focus GX V4 in certain parts. The GX ATX 3.1 lineup sports 80+ Gold certification and is available in 750W, 850W and 1000W variants. Let's unbox the 850W variant of the Focus GX ATX 3.1 and take a closer look at its specifications so as to see if it's any good. Now, the Focus GX ATX 3.1 lineup of PSUs are available in both black and white, and for this video, Corbel Technologies, the official distributor for Seasonic in Singapore, have sent over the black 850W variant of the Focus GX ATX 3.1 for this video. In terms of packaging, the PSU comes shipped in a rectangular box with Seasonic's signature black and gold colorway, with information on the specs of the PSU peppered on all sides of the box. Let's unbox the PSU to see what Seasonic's included with it. In terms of accessories, first up, we get a promotional leaflet that allows customers to enter a lucky draw for a $50 Steam gift card. And this is accompanied by a user's manual. We also get a power supply installation guide like so, and a Ziploc bag containing plastic cable ties, Velcro cable ties, as well as 4 PSU mounting screws. We do also get a power supply unit tester device. You can hook this device up to the 24-pin ATX power connector of the PSU, connect the PSU to the mains, and if the PSU fan spins right up, you'll know that your PSU is working fine. Moving on. We get a cloth bag right here that contains all the modular cables that the PSU ships with. I'll run through these cables later on in the video. We do also get an AC power cord like so, and to round things off, we've got the PSU in a cloth bag right here. Here it is, the Focus GX ATX 3.1 850W. First impressions, it's pretty compact with a depth of just 140mm and should fit really easily into most PC cases with no issues at all. In case you're wondering about its exact dimensions, the PSU measures in at 150mm by 86mm by 140mm. In terms of aesthetics, the Focus GX ATX 3.1 has a pretty ordinary aesthetic. We get your usual power switch, power cable connector and ventilation openings on the front of the PSU. We also get a hybrid mode button that, when activated, enables the PSU's digital hybrid fan control mode, which is basically a fanless operation mode, and I'll talk more about this feature later on in this video. Over on the rear, we get your usual modular connectors for the various cables that the Focus GX ATX 3.1 comes with, and over on the left, as well as right sides of the PSU, we get the Seasonic logo and model of PSU printed on. Moving over to the top panel, we get a sticker with detailed specs of the Focus GX ATX 3.1 alongside the usual regulatory and warning notices, and moving over to the bottom panel, we catch a glimpse of the 135mm FDB cooling fan through the slat-like ventilation openings that look pretty nice aesthetics wise, all topped off by a Seasonic badge right above the fan hub. And with that, let's move on to look at the cables that come included with the Focus GX ATX 3.1, specifically the 850W variant that I have here. Again, we do get some minor variations in terms of what cables come included with the GX ATX 3.1 lineup, depending on which wattage you decide to go with, as per the chart that you can see on the screen, which also has the lengths of the respective cables that come included with the PSU. Some features to point out about the PSU cables. They all feature a braided pattern design that feels premium, and Seasonic included a dual-colored 12V 2x6 connector for the graphics card power cable, which is great seeing how this connector's design's gotten a really bad rep, with countless stories of melted connectors when improperly inserted into the corresponding power connectors of power-hungry cards, such as those powered by the RTX 5090 and RTX 4090 GPU. In that regard, the blue-colored portion of the connector will fully disappear if the connector is properly inserted into the 12V high-power connector on the graphics card, like so. If the connector is improperly inserted, you'll be able to see a tinge of blue like so. All in all, I'd say that this is definitely a good quality of life feature to have for sure. Also, the 12V 2x6 connector seems pretty sturdily built. We can see that the pins embedded within the housing of the 12V 2x6 connector do not move at all, even if I were to wiggle the cables a fair bit, which should go a long way in helping to make sure that the connector's properly seated within your graphics card's 12V 2x6 port. Let's run through the specs of the Focus GX ATX 3.1 lineup of power supplies real quick. We get 3 power options to choose from: 750W, 850W and 1000W. The PSU is really compact in size, where it has a depth of just 140mm, making it really suitable for PC builds where space is an issue. The GX ATX 3.1 lineup is ATX 3.1 compliant and conforms to the AT+ Gold standard in terms of efficiency, and features a 135mm fluid dynamic bearing fan for cooling, where it also comes with a silent operation mode that I'll talk about shortly. For peace of mind, the GX ATX 3.1 lineup comes with a 10-year warranty, and for the 750W and 850W variants, they come with the Cybernetics Platinum rating, while the 1000W variant comes with a Cybernetics Gold rating, which is really reassuring to see. One feature that Seasonic touts with the GX ATX 3.1 lineup is the fact that the PSUs come with a patented digital hybrid fan control feature that allows the PSU to operate in a fanless mode under low power loads, which helps to reduce noise levels and extends the lifespan of the cooling fan. End users have the choice of enabling or disabling this feature by activating this switch here accordingly. Another feature worth mentioning is OptiSink, which is in reference to a new PCB design that utilizes smaller MOSFET and heatsink components, thereby creating more space within the PSU for heat dissipation, leading to cooler operation temperatures, better efficiency and improved reliability. Rounding off this section on PSU specs, in case you're unaware, Seasonic does design and manufacture its own PSU designs, and the Focus GX ATX 3.1 is no different. In fact, Seasonic does serve as the OEM for a couple of other branded PSUs out on the market, and if anything, this is indicative of the quality of the PSUs that they produce. Right, so to put the Focus GX ATX 3.1 through its paces, I'll be installing it as part of a gaming PC demo build that utilizes the new Lianli Vector V150 Infinity PC case. Installing the Focus GX ATX 3.1 850W inside of the Vector V150 Infinity was pretty straightforward, again owing to the fact that the PSU has pretty compact dimensions. Getting the modular cables to where they needed to go was pretty easy too, and all in all, the GX ATX 3.1 was very easy to work with. To sum up, the Seasonic Focus GX ATX 3.1 power supply unit seems to be a pretty well built PSU with a compact package to boot. The quality of the included modular cables is great, and I appreciate the fact that the PSU comes with a fanless operation mode as well as a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. In terms of pricing, the 850W variant that I have here in this video is available to purchase in Singapore for a price of around 209 Singapore dollars. For you international viewers, this PSU is available from online retailers such as Amazon and Newegg for a price of around $140 US. With that, thank you so much for watching, hit the like button and get subscribed if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys around the next time.